So this is the Prasad's project. So this flat right now is 23 years old. And before going into the full video, I want to tell you that this interiors is 1.5 years old. Whatever you're seeing right now, or whatever you're going to see right now, is around 1.5 years old. It is very interesting to do such projects because it's quite fun and challenging as well. So I'll just tell you all a brief of the project. So the Prasads had given me a requirement. We got the requirements. They told us we want to retain these things and we want these things new and all of that, you know. We changed a lot of things from tiling to the switchboards. We got new false ceiling, we got new lights and whatnot. And in this video, you will come to know how we have transformed this place from what it was. So we've changed a lot of things, all the way from tiling to switchboards. Even the wiring was not concealed, so we concealed all the wiring as well. We got new false ceiling, lights, fans and whatnot.
Hi, this is Rajalakshmi Prasad. Welcome to our home. We were deciding to renovate our home for some time, and then we were not sure from whom we should get it done. We were recommended AG Designs by one of our friends, and we are really so happy and glad that we took that recommendation. We gave them our requirements, what we need to be done, and they gave us their suggestions and made improvements, and the job was started and done very, very well. So well that we were planning to get our daughter's marriage performed, wedding performed. We were looking out for a venue, and then after this was done, we decided why not do it here itself. So we had the wedding ceremony at our home only. We invited the guests to our home and everyone liked it so much. The wedding was such a grand success, and even in the photographs and all, we are so glad that we held it in our home only. Now it's been over an year that it is done, but still it is just as good as it was on the first day. Every day we come into this house, we feel we have come into a new flat. It's great, it's a great feeling. They have done such a good job, and we are enjoying every day of living in this home ever since. And we feel like we have come to a new flat. We feel like we have bought a new property. They have really done a great job. Wish them all the best for many, many more such projects.
So starting from the hall, as I said, we've changed the whole tiles. पूरे घर में 5 feet by 2.5 feet के vitrified marble finish के tiles use किए हैं, and it looks quite good. जो living room का main door है, that also we have changed. We've gone for a good pattern with good hardware. There was a big wall behind the sofa and it used to look quite plain Jane. So we wanted to break the monotony, and we've gone for this 3D pattern wall. By the way, we've created this wall with the help of gypsum sheets. Next to the accent wall, we have got a small partition. This looks quite modern. It's got a metal framing with wooden shelves and accent lights. Now to complement the other things of the living room, we have gone with the similar theme with the TV unit. We've again used metal structure with wooden shelves, and by the way, all the cables are routed properly to incorporate the set-top box, the modem, plus the wiring for the TV. We have given ample of space for keeping planters and artifacts. The curtains also have been changed to full-size curtains. We've used double-track curtains. One is sheer and one is the main curtain. We've gone for velvet finish curtains. We've used quite a lot of lights in this house. We've used COBs, we've used profile, we've used indirect cove lighting and whatnot. By the way, these COB lights can be operated through a remote, and you can set the temperature as well. You can go from cool white to warm white and up to amber. So it has got a lot of variations. You can reduce the brightness, you can increase the brightness, you can group the lights, and there are tons of settings in this. So for the dining room also, we have done quite a lot of changes. First of all, we got rid of the old dining table and we got this new wooden one. Then an accent wall was required over here, so we went with a nice printed wallpaper with 2 accent lights. And under that we have a nice solid wood crockery unit. Now everything is done. Now what about the accent light for the dining table? So we've gone for a nice contemporary accent light. So this bedroom has been changed drastically. We've done a lot of things over here. We've got rid of the wardrobe, we've changed the orientation of the bed, and we've designed a lot of storages over here. So at the place where the wardrobe was, we have gone for this console unit. It's got a lot of storage. Plus, with that, we've incorporated the TV unit as well. So right now the bed is over here and the TV is over here. It's a very comfortable way to watch TV and movies. But majorly, we've changed this bedroom into a master bedroom. Earlier there was an entrance door over here, but now we have shifted the door ahead. So the bathroom gets attached to the room. In the lobby, we had a wash basin as well. We've got rid of that. We've gone for a nice dressing unit over there with a lot of storage, of course. But for this bedroom, we've gone for a nice white look. So the whole theme is white with some nice accents. So even the storage units, we've used quite a lot of white and we've used gold as well. Plus the curtains, the furnishings, everything is in a linear form. So in this bedroom we have done minimal job. We've just done the loft shutters, थोड़ा duct को cover किया है, and एक नया bed. We've got a new bed over here with a mattress. उसके अलावा we've retained the old wardrobe. उसके साथ साथ we've gone for a new fall ceiling as well. We've got profile light as well as COB lights. We've done a similar thing in the kitchen as well. Kitchen ko we've not renovated at all. The kitchen platform and the storages under the platform, they are still the same. We've not changed that at all. But we've gone for nice loft storage and overhead storages with lights. So this is what this whole project is all about. आपको क्या लगता है project के बारे में? If you like the design, if you like the theme, anything, if you have any kind of questions regarding this project or any question regarding interiors, you can let us know in the comments below and we will try to answer all of that. If you're coming here for the first time, do share this video with your family and friends and subscribe to this channel because we are going to get a lot of interior videos for you.